If you've ever thought about investing but felt overwhelmed by all the apps, charts, and financial jargon, you're not alone. The good news is that today's investing apps have made it easier than ever for complete beginners to get started, even if you only have a few dollars and zero experience. In this video, we're walking through 10 of the best investing apps in the United States that are perfect for beginners, breaking down what makes each one unique so you can decide which fits your style, your goals, and your comfort level. Let's start with one of the most popular names in the game, Robinhood. Robinhood completely changed the investing world by introducing commission-free trading, and for beginners, that's a big deal. You can buy stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies without paying trading fees. The interface is clean, simple, and designed for people who don't want to feel like they need a finance degree just to understand what's going on. One of the best parts is how easy it is to get started. You can sign up, deposit money, and make your first investment within minutes. However, while it's great for simplicity, it doesn't offer as much deep research or educational content as some other platforms, so it's best for beginners who want something fast and straightforward. Next up is Acorns, which is perfect if you struggle to save or invest consistently. Acorns works by rounding up your everyday purchases and automatically investing the spare change. So if you buy something for $3.50, it rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 50 cents. Over time, those small amounts add up without you even noticing. It's one of the easiest ways to build an investing habit because it removes the need to think about it. Acorns also offers pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance, so you don't have to pick stocks yourself. This is ideal for beginners who want a completely hands-off approach. Then there's Stash, which combines investing with education. Stash is designed to teach you while you invest, offering guidance, tips, and explanations in simple language. You can start with as little as $5, and instead of overwhelming you with thousands of stocks, it organizes investments into themes like technology, clean energy, or healthcare. This makes it easier to understand what you're investing in. Stash also offers fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Apple without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars. Another beginner-friendly option is Public. What makes Public stand out is its social aspect. You can follow other investors, see what they're buying, and even learn from their strategies. It's almost like combining investing with social media, which can make the whole experience feel less intimidating. Public also emphasizes long-term investing rather than risky short-term trades, which is a healthier mindset for beginners. Plus, it offers fractional shares and no commission fees, making it accessible even if you're starting small. If you're someone who wants powerful tools but still beginner-friendly guidance, Fidelity Investments is a strong choice. Fidelity has been around for decades and is known for its reliability and depth. While it may sound like a platform for experienced investors, it actually offers excellent resources for beginners, including tutorials, research tools, and customer support. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and retirement accounts all in one place. The app might feel slightly more complex than something like Robinhood, but if you're willing to learn, it gives you room to grow without needing to switch platforms later. Another heavyweight is Charles Schwab. Schwab offers a balance between simplicity and professional-grade tools. For beginners, one of the biggest advantages is access to educational content and automated investing options. You can start with their robo-advisor service, which builds and manages a portfolio for you, and then gradually move into self-directed investing as you gain confidence. Schwab also has no account minimums and offers commission-free stock trades, making it beginner-friendly while still being powerful enough for advanced users. Let's talk about SoFi, which has quickly become a favorite among younger investors. SoFi isn't just an investing app, it's a full financial platform that includes banking, loans, and credit services. For beginners, SoFi Invest offers both automated investing and active investing, so you can choose how involved you want to be. It also provides financial advice and career tools, which makes it more of an all-in-one financial ecosystem. If you like the idea of managing all your finances in one place, SoFi is a great option. Next is Wealthfront, which is ideal if you want a completely hands-off investing experience. Wealthfront uses algorithms to build and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. It also includes features like tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax bill over time. For beginners who don't want to pick individual stocks or worry about market timing, Wealthfront is a stress-free way to grow your money steadily. Similarly, Betterment is another top robo-advisor that focuses on simplicity and long-term growth. Betterment automatically invests your money into diversified portfolios and rebalances them as needed. It also offers goal-based investing, meaning you can set specific targets like saving for a house, retirement, or an emergency fund. The app takes care of the complex decisions while you focus on contributing regularly, which is exactly what most beginners need. Finally, we have E-Trade, one of the most established online brokerage platforms in the US. E-Trade offers a wide range of investment options along with strong educational resources. While it may seem more advanced at first glance, it has beginner-friendly tools and a smooth onboarding process. As you gain experience, you'll appreciate the depth of features it provides, including advanced charts and analysis tools. It's a platform that can grow with you from beginner to experienced investor. At the end of the day, the best investing app for you depends on your personality and your goals. If you want something simple and fast, apps like Robinhood or Public might be your best bet. If you prefer a hands-off approach, Acorns, Wealthfront, or Betterment can do the heavy lifting for you. And if you're thinking long-term and want to learn deeply, platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or E-Trade give you the tools to evolve into a more confident investor. The most important thing isn't picking the perfect app, it's getting started. Even small investments today can grow into something meaningful over time. The earlier you begin, the more you benefit from compound growth, which is one of the most powerful forces in investing. So instead of waiting until you feel completely ready, choose an app that feels comfortable, take that first step, and learn as you go. One thing many beginners overlook is the importance of consistency, and that's where features like recurring investments can make a huge difference. Apps like SoFi, Acorns, and Betterment allow you to automate your contributions, so you're investing weekly or monthly without having to think about it. This strategy, often called dollar cost averaging, helps reduce the impact of market volatility because you're spreading your investments over time instead of trying to guess the perfect moment to buy. For beginners, this removes a lot of emotional decision making and replaces it with a steady, disciplined approach that builds wealth quietly in the background. Another key factor to consider when choosing an investing app is how much education and support it offers. Platforms like Fidelity Investments and Charles Schwab stand out because they provide in-depth tutorials, webinars, and even access to financial advisors. This can be incredibly valuable when you're just starting out and trying to understand concepts like diversification, risk tolerance, and long-term growth. Even apps like Stash simplify complex ideas into bite-sized lessons, making it easier to learn while you invest rather than feeling like you need to study everything beforehand. It's also worth thinking about your long-term goals before you commit to any one platform. If you're investing for retirement, apps that offer IRAs and tax-advantaged accounts, like Wealthfront or E-Trade, might be more suitable. On the other hand, if your goal is to actively trade and learn the market, something like Robinhood or Public may feel more engaging and interactive. The key is to match the app to your mindset, whether that's hands-on and curious or passive and long-term focused. At the end of everything, remember that no app can guarantee profits, and every investment carries some level of risk. The real advantage comes from starting early, staying consistent, and continuing to learn over time. Whether you begin with $5 on Acorns or build a diversified portfolio on Fidelity Investments, what matters most is taking that first step and sticking with it. Over time, your confidence grows, your knowledge improves, and what once felt complicated becomes second nature. And that's when investing truly starts to work in your favor.